We have developed a system that operates without heating, without air conditioning, and without a heat pump, yet maintains a stable indoor temperature of 26 degrees. Germany has more than 3.3 million solar installations, but a large part of their energy is never used or is paid only a few cents. Our system stores this energy locally in water, earth, and air masses, making it available at any time, without batteries and without complex technology. The result is a fully autonomous climate and utility system that is highly efficient, low maintenance, and scalable for international markets. Learn more at sciclimate.com.